At the door handle of the car, there was nothing there but a hook.
Hook? That makes no sense.
Oh, I left out a part. Okay, the guy who escaped from the insane asylum had lost his hand in some kind of industrial accident. Anyway, they replaced it with a sharp metal hook. And it was said hook that was stuck on the aforementioned door handle. Ooh.
Dad, over the past 3 birthdays, I've gotten $175 in bookstore gift cards. They're yours if we could just go home.
No, we're having fun. Hey, I know. We'll sing a song. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. Come on, you used to love this one. I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. It rolled off the table and onto the floor. Come on. And then my poor meatball rolled right out the door. Oh, come on. We had an adventure.
Dad,
Yeah, buddy?
fight me.
You'll see. Someday you and I will look back on this weekend and laugh and laugh. I didn't say someday soon. Hey, come on. I thought you liked wet t-shirts. Hey.
Hey.
Shut up.
Oh, come on, Alan. We both know I can't do that.
What do you want me to say? That it was a bad idea? Okay, it was a bad idea. And the only thing we bonded over was our mutual discomfort with pooping into a coffee can.
It wasn't chock full of nuts, was it? Sorry. Where's Jake?
He went back to his friends in Hooterville.
Well, I can't blame him. It never rains in Hooterville. Look, Alan, seriously, I'm sorry it didn't work out. I know your heart was in the right place.
Thank you.
Now,